Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the CAMEL-115 mid-calf boot in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. You can also buy them direct from Demonia Cult if you are in a different location. So we'll have a look what's in the box. The boots, they come with this plastic wrapping as well as the branded Demonia wrapping paper. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. Alright, let's have a look at the first shoe here. Get it unwrapped. Now this model has a bit of a gothic grunge vibe about it. Do you agree? Now the camel models have a chunky block heel and platform with 3 inches at the platform and a 5-inch block heel. We have round laces with a corset style lace up on this one. You can see it's got a horseshoe ring there at the top of the tongue. And we have the skull, head and bones on the buckles. There's 4 buckles. And it's also got the metal spikes along the buckle straps. And the Demonia logo on the bottom of the sole there with the flames. And this is a vegan leather style, so it's all man-made materials. We've got a full-length inside zipper, so that makes taking on and off much easier than having to do the laces each time. So we'll have a look at the inside of the boot as well now. Now you'll see the inside of the tongue there shows the metal O-rings that go along the tongue as well as that horseshoe ring at the top. So these are the O-rings. So they stick out from both the top of the boot as well as the inside of the tongue there. So this design is available in women's USA sizes from 6 to 12, which also converts to the European 36 to 42. And we're just going to have a look at the other boot as well. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style, and would you wear it, and where would you wear it? Hit the thumbs up if you're liking this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think. Now let's have a look at them both together. You can tell us what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. The camel is a very popular style of boot, and I think if you try these, you're gonna love them. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.